I think Santa stopped by for you. Look over there.
What's that?
Hello, you got presents over here. Oops, careful.
Ella. Ella, what's that? Did Santa come by?
Yeah.
Santa came by? Ooh, what's that, Ethan?
Can you say thank you, Santa?
Thank you, Santa.
I think there's some more gifts for Ethan.
That means you've been a good boy, Ethan.
Ooh, Ethan, what's this one? It's another Santa. Ooh, another present.
Whoa, what's that, Ella?
This is for you too. Ooh, I think you have one more. And Ethan, you got one more gift. Yeah, what's inside? There's one more in there. One more. Look at Ellie, you have one more gift. This is for you, Ella.
Ethan, that's Ella's. You like it, Ethan?
This is Victor. This Victor?
Yeah, Victor. What color is Victor?
Red. This hero. This is it. What?
Fishing at opening gifts. More faster than Ethan last year.
Too fast and too tall.
Remember he was being rather nice about it? What's that, Ella?
Me and Elsa's some two cupcakes.
Yeah, that's a tea set.
Ella, you already got... It's very meticulous. She's got to take everything off.
Yes, for taking a bath. You want to take a bath?
Sweet treats cart. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ella, do you like it? Ella, do you like it? Say thank you, Santa. Okay.